So the searches have been on for the past 2 days and counting. Additional teams and machines are now being sent to finish the counting of cash because some machines have conked off. The income tax department had leads about liquor taxes not being paid and money being siphoned off. The locations where the searches are on are being linked to a senior Congress party leader and Rajya Sabha member of Parliament, Dheeraj Sahu. India Today's Munish Pandey has been tracking the story very closely and gets us our top story tonight.
Almirahs full of cash, running into crores of rupees. This is what the income tax officials found in their raids on businesses linked to Congress's Rajya Sabha MP from Jharkhand, Dheeraj Sahu. The raids targeting Bodh Distilleries Private Limited and Baldio Sahu and group of companies started on Wednesday. Among the locations raided are offices, factories and houses linked to the MP's family and associates in Sambalpur, Bolangir, Titilagad, Bodh, Sundargarh, Rourkela, Bhubaneswar in Odisha and Ranchi and Lohardaga in Jharkhand. The two raided companies are run by the MP and his relatives. The recovered money is kept at the SBI branches in Sambalpur and Bolangir, where the counting is still on. While 8 machines are being used to count the notes, more units may be brought in. The income tax department is yet to give a formal statement, but sources say the cash haul exceeds 210 crore rupees. The IT will now trace the source of the money to see if it's accounted for or illegal. The raids have sparked a political showdown in Jharkhand.
जो व्यवसायी होंगे उनके पास पैसे नहीं होंगे, हाँ, उनके अडानी अंबानी के घर में अगर देखा जाए तो, हाँ, तो व्यवसाय जो करेंगे उसके उनका जो व्यवसाय है कच्चे का व्यवसाय है, ये नहीं जानते लोग, हाँ, उनके पास डेली नगद पैसे आते हैं करोड़ों रुपए में। ये सारी चीजों को भी देखना चाहिए। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोगों को राज्य के हित से, राज्य के विकास से, राज्य की जनता के सुख दुख से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। इन्हें सिर्फ और सिर्फ कीचड़ उछालना है।
इतने पैसे मिले कि मशीन खराब हो जाए, मशीन जवाब दे दे, तो ये पैसे कोई कांग्रेसी सांसद या कांग्रेसी विधायक के पास ही हो सकते हैं। मैं तो कहता हूं कि ये सीधे सीधे मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग का भी मामला है। इसमें इन्फोर्समेंट जो डायरेक्टरेट है उनको इंटरवेन करना चाहिए और गहन इसकी जांच करनी चाहिए और जो भी दोषी है कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिलनी चाहिए।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi cited the cash haul to target the opposition and said all ill-gotten money will be accounted for. The Jharkhand BJP has demanded an ED probe against the Congress MP. Dheeraj Sahu and his relatives have a thriving liquor business in Odisha where they run distilleries. With Satyajit Kumar, Bureau Report, India Today.
And the Prime Minister, when he took to that social media platform, he spoke of Modi's guarantee that every penny would be accounted for and every penny of the taxpayer would be brought back into the system. He'd made this promise earlier. Let's listen in.
इन पार्टियों के पास घोटालों का ही अनुभव है, इसलिए अगर कोई गारंटी है इनकी तो एक ही गारंटी है, घोटालों की गारंटी। अब देश को तय करना है क्या ये घोटालों की गारंटी को देश स्वीकार करेगा। मैं आपके बीच में से पल करके बड़ा हुआ हूं, तो आज मैं भी एक गारंटी देना चाहता हूं। अगर उनकी घोटाले की गारंटी है तो मोदी की भी एक गारंटी है और मेरी गारंटी है, हर घोटालेबाज पर कार्रवाई की गारंटी, हर चोर लुटेरे पर कार्रवाई की गारंटी।
So two major developments today, of course, both completely unrelated, but both connected with opposition members of parliament. Mahua Moitra expelled as Lok Sabha MP in a cash for query case. Opposition alleges vendetta. Income tax searches on properties linked to Congress Rajya Sabha MP Dheeraj Sahu. Once again, the opposition says this is misuse of government machinery to target opposition leaders. But the question is, does this weaken the opposition's attack on the Narendra Modi government, or does it strengthen their case that this is a government witch hunt misusing official machinery? Joining me on this special broadcast, Aparajita Sarangi, BJP Member of Parliament and spokesperson. Syed Abbas is a political analyst who will give us the Congress Party perspective. And Dr. Vikram Singh is former Director General of Police, once again, to give us a legal perspective on this matter. But my first question is to India Today's Munish Pandey, tracking the story very closely. Munish, what's the latest with these searches and the alleged link to an opposition MP?
Well, Gaurav, as far as Income Tax Department is concerned, what we have been given to understand is that the initial tip-off by the income tax officials was that there is a liquor company which is involved in tax evasion and there is illegal unaccounted money with them. Now, when the IT department started probing, they got to know that this company and the individuals linked to this company also have links with Congress Rajya Sabha member Deepak Sahu, and when his premises were raided, unaccounted money in huge amount was recovered by the IT officials. So far, we have been given to understand is that the IT officials have counted more than 210 crore rupees in 9 almiras, and the counting is still going on, and they are expecting that it might go beyond 250 crore rupees.